how to make EsDeeKid type beat.
Ice gear. Ice gear.
Without clothes heavy like we're smoking. White feet fresh, so pure like cocaine. Young kid, I'm just left in my own lane. Blowing to the breeze, no mind, so there's no pain.
Before we start, quick shout out, all the sounds you hear in this video come from my own one-shot drum kit stash. It includes exactly 600 sounds, and it's available on my Patreon. Link is in the description. First, make a crazy synth melody. Then add simple lead melody. Layer it with this crazy piano one-shot. After that, add bouncy synth pattern. And for the last part, add brass chord pattern. Drums is simple, just add the first clap with this pattern. Then simple hi-hat pattern. Another hi-hat for bouncy. Another clap. Add this crazy open hats. And for the last part, add this crispy 808 and the beat is done. Here is final loop with a cappella.
Ice gear. Ice gear.
Without clothes heavy like we're smoking. White feet fresh, so pure like cocaine. Young kid, I'm just left in my own lane. Blowing to the breeze, no mind, so there's no pain. Walk around, 5 in the morning. I'm up on the line by the phone, exploding. Made 5 tuners while you talk about snorting. Don't talk shit like you know you're just boring. Need a tour life Uzi. Rapping life's kinda feeling like a movie. Got the coke and I spilled it on my SUVs. I'm feeling like movie, I'm shooting all the movies. My scouts tings rolling up the jabber. My Yankee one rolling up the grabber. I like my South ting, but she's been a yapper. I fuck 'em all back to back, logo of Kappa. I'm a myth, like you lost your friend in Carti. Sheller showing Liverpool and Paul McCartney. I've been stacking bread on top of cheese like a sarnie. So she tell me chocolate like the